Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a watermark transparent or change watermark opacity using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select menu option Organize. Now select your watermark option and select Add Watermark, and this watermark type option select a text watermark or file watermark and select text and type your watermark name, and this watermark font color and font style here, and this rotation, and finally here you will find this transparency, that means opacity option. I'll make it firstly 100% and see this, and now since I'll make it 60, and then watermark now transparent, and scale target page I'll make it 80% and see this, and select here selected page or all pages, and finally select OK, and see this transparent watermark now apply all of these pages, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.